Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix a billing problem on App Store on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are having any billing problems, let's see how can you easily fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, you have to simply go to your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. Once you have that, simply go back and try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, you just have to open up your general, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available here, or if you have any update like that, so you have to simply tap on update now, and your iOS version will be up to date. Once you have updated your iOS version, so it will fix your issue. But if it doesn't, you just have to go back, and here you have to open up your app store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on it again, and here you just have to wait for it until the next interface come, and here you just have to simply select country or region, and then you just have to change your country and region. From here you have to make sure that you have selected the country or region in which you are still living. So let's see, you just have to scroll down, and here you have to look for your specific country region respective to your credit card or debit card. So you just have to select the country or region from here, then tap on this continue option, and here you have to simply tap on agree in the top right corner, and then you have to enter all of your debit card or credit card and details here. And once you have that, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, know what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, tap on your Apple account, and here you have to simply tap on the sign out option, and here you have to simply sign out to your Apple account. Once you have signed out, you have to re-log in your Apple account, and it will fix your issue. So in this way you can easily fix every type of your billing problems on any iPhone or an app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.